In front of me is Redmi A5 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down to click on Security and Privacy. Then scroll again to hit Device Unlock. Tap on Fingerprint and Face Unlock here. And finally, after entering your screen lock, click on Face Unlock section. Now you need to read all of those instructions and disclaimers. Scroll all the way down and tap on I agree. Then keep your waiting frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. To begin, hit Start at the bottom right corner. Then hit Done, also at the bottom right corner. Now you can operate all of those options however you want to, and when you're finished, just go back. So now, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!